Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm doing a suicide awareness YouTube hop with dies to die for. So everyone in the hop is going to be using dies from the Dies to Die For, but their website is shopscrapbook101.com. So even though they're Dies to Die For, you need to go to their website, which is the shopscrapbook101.com, to see all of their dies, which they have tons of dies. You can see in this catalog. I think I need to get a bunch. I'm loving all of these Halloween ones. But anyways, they have lots of dies to choose from, as you can see. And the ones that they sent me, I got, this one is a Flourish set. And then there's also this one, which is a random oval frame. And I think all of these are new to their store. So this is a side butterfly flourish. Lots of little butterflies in there. A crocus flower. Cora's wings. And then this is Sympathy Words Seasons ink. So I don't have to read them backwards. Let's see, the ones that are in that Sympathy Words is In Loving Memory, So Sorry, and with Heartfelt Sympathy. That is all in this set right here. So these are different ones that I'm going to be using. And with the hop, all you have to do is comment on everyone's videos. The link will be down below for the next one in the hop for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate for Dies to Die For. And all the information will be listed down below in the description box. I think the hop will be going until September 10th, midnight, Eastern Standard Time, so the winner will be announced right after that. So let me get started of getting what I'm going to cut out, and then I'll show you what the card is that I'm going to create. Okay, now I got all of my pieces cut out, and then I took a piece of white cardstock, and I cut it 1/4 of an inch smaller than my card base, and then I ran it through this embossing folder. This is from Crafter's Companion. I don't know the name of it, but I will list it below of all the products that I use. I will have down below in the description box. So I ran that through, and now taking some Delicata in Champagne, and I started doing it already, but gonna do it some more now, and just lightly run it over the top. So it's just hitting the raised areas. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's pretty faint, but it gives it just a nice kind of a vanilla, or, well, champagne is what it's called, color on there. So there it is. Let me turn it to the side, you can see it a little bit better. And then I'm just going to adhere this to my card base using my Xyron Mega Runner. And now I have, from the butterfly set that I used, which was this one again, the side butterflies and Flourish, I got all of these little butterflies that I cut out. I'm going to run this through my Xyron Create a Sticker. So just push all of them in there, except for I have these two that are like full flying ones. I don't want to run those ones through because I'm going to bend the wings up of those ones and make it look like it's flying. So you just put them through and then just pull it like that. I'm going to keep doing that to all of these. And then I'm also going to do it with the words I cut out with Sympathy. So I'm going to run the words through. And then for the backing of the words, or the shadow of the words, I used this glitter paper. Now for this frame, I cut out one in just regular cream cardstock, and then also another one in the glitter. Since this is too big to fit through my Create a Sticker, I'm going to use my Creative Station Lite for this. I could have done the Creative Station Lite for all of these things, but when they're really tiny, I like to use this one. Okay, once you have that all done, peel that off. Take the top layer off, and then I'm going to layer that on to the other layer. And just stick that, center it onto the front of my card. Now I'm going to layer up the sentiment. I don't want to stick the sentiment down, so I'm just kind of laying it there because I want to make sure that I'm centering it to where I want it. And that actually looks pretty good, so now I can stick it down. Okay, so now the two little flying butterflies that come in this set, I'm just going to bend them slightly to make the wings go up. And then taking some liquid adhesive, I'm just going to place it right into the center where the body of the butterfly would be. And now with all the other butterflies, I'm just going to randomly place them onto the frame. Next I have some enamel dots, and I'm just going to randomly add some of these around. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some fairy sugar and just do a little tiny bit going down these two butterflies, right down the center, like that. And now my card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'd also love a thumbs up if you like what you saw. See you next time. Bye-bye.